Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hello, everybody.
So Clint has a couple of Chenille book covers that he needs to fluff up. So that's what he's fixing to do right now. And we just thought we'd bring you guys along. So let me step out of the way and he'll show you how he's going to do it. Pretty good. Not too bad. Look at it real quick and see. Oh, it's looking cool.
Wow.
Some of it's not, but I think if I kind of fluff it
Yeah,
up
if
with
you
that.
can do that, maybe it will. Yeah, I was kind of looking at right in here. You know.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, and the other one next to it. Oh. Okay.
Hold on.
I'll try it.
That one looks really good.
Yeah, this one, it looks really good. Kind of pull those up again.
Yeah, these over here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think, guys? Worked pretty darn good, doesn't it?
I'm sure our neighbors are thinking, what in the world are they doing?
Luckily, they're not that close. So.
Yeah,
I tell you, that looks nice.
looks really nice. What do you think, Lisa? We'll take them out. What he did is he put staples around this wooden board.
Right on the very edge of it. So.
Yeah, so it wouldn't, and then he covered the board with foil. That way he'd get a better, wouldn't be, hopefully I got it, won't be so, won't get dirty or anything like that.
That looks pretty good.
Maybe a little bit more right through here.
You believe that?
Looks really good. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You can do it a little bit more if you want. Right through here maybe.
Okay.
And then maybe right through here.
Okay.
And then I would call it done.
The only bad thing is it's so dang long. Hard to... Good on that one.
Okay guys, so what we're going to do is clean up out here and we'll meet you guys inside. We decided to do this outside and we'll kind of clean them up and we'll show you what they look like. So see you in a minute.
Hey guys, I'm very impressed. I cannot believe how soft it turned out.
It is like silk almost. It's so soft.
There are some places, you know, but it turned out beautiful.
I don't think it would have turned out that well if you would have used a brush.
It wouldn't have, not even. So I'm not really even too worried about trimming it. Just a little bit, I guess, around the edges of it. I'm not going to worry about.
Yeah, it didn't have like a lot of strings or anything.
No,
I mean, it's just around the
really,
edges.
Yeah, no,
but you know, when we did that, he did that white one. It was really stringy
everywhere.
And
they were really long. You know, I mean, it was just, yeah. So this one just, I'm really impressed. And it was so fast and easy to do it that way. You know, how I come up with things, I don't know. But
me either.
But I tell you, I'm very impressed that it worked this good. I will do that from every cover I do. I'll be using the weed eater for it if I have any more to do.
If it's a Chenille cover.
Yeah, if it's a Chenille cover, I'm definitely gonna.
We did do it outside this time just because it does make quite a bit of mess. And I'm really glad because this one, since it didn't have the big strings, it had tons of tiny particles. So I'm really glad we went ahead and moved it outside.
Yeah.
So whenever you're weed eating your covers.
I tell you, who would have ever thought about using a weed eater in the cracker? I tell you. But it was fun. I enjoyed doing it. It's not a very long video. I apologize, guys, but I've been working on ink blenders all bloody weekend, and I'm beat. I'm sore. I don't know how many I have done. A lot. But I had fun. I did a bunch of ruffles to kind of, when I was really needed to rest, sit down and rest. I did several ruffles this weekend, but yeah, I wish you guys could feel it. Maybe if I could. Isn't that incredible? And it, you know, it just, I'm blown away. Honest to God, I'm blown away. I just can't get over how soft it is compared to those others that we made for Maryland. That one I made for Maryland, I just honestly cannot believe it would come out this soft. It just has, yeah, and it turned out just incredible. I put tinfoil on that board to kind of keep this the inside clean, and I really, I'm excited about it. I had so much fun doing it. Had fun making them. So I'm hopefully, who knows, I might have a couple more orders. You never know. You just never know what the future holds. So, well, I'm gonna let you guys go. Shell's gonna do another video, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for letting me show you this technique real quick, and you guys take care. Have a good day. Bye.